This is everything you need to know for pre-calculus, part 1. So this may be a review for you, but it's still important to go over. So we're going to talk about interval notation. And so interval notation is just another way to describe sets of numbers and inequalities. So like whenever we talk about domain and range, we can use inequalities or we can use interval notation. So if we have the inequality, x is greater than -8 and less than or equal to 16, then we can write that as an interval by doing parentheses, -8, comma, +16, and then we're going to use a bracket on the right. So notice we use the parentheses whenever we don't have the or equal than sign, and we use the bracket whenever we do have or equal to, okay? So basically the parentheses means we're not including -8. The bracket means we are including +16. So let's do it for x is less than 11, okay? So if x is less than 11, that means it's going to the left towards -infinity. So we're going to put -infinity. Anytime we have infinity or -infinity, we're going to put a parentheses because that interval is unbounded. Okay, so we're going to put our comma, and then we're going to put +11, and because we're not including 11, it's just less than 11, we're going to put a parentheses on that side too, okay? So that would be our interval notation for x is less than 11. And then lastly, we have x is less than or equal to -16 or x is greater than 5. So first, let's deal with the first part. So x is less than or equal to -16. So if it's less than or equal to that, it could be anything towards -infinity. So we're going to put -infinity with our parentheses, comma, -16, and we are including -16, so I'm going to put a bracket, okay? Now, we have the word or. Or means that we're going to use union, and the sign for union is just a U, like that. Now we can include the second part. So x is greater than 5, so we're not including 5, and we're going towards infinity, so I'm going to put parentheses, 5, comma, +infinity, and then another parentheses, and then that's all you have to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more like this, go ahead and follow this account, like this video, and leave a comment. That way my videos show up in your For You page later on. We'll see you next time.